Men and women in Islam are equal in worth, but not identical in duties. Here's what you need to know. In Islam, men and women are equal before Allah, yet their roles and responsibilities differ. These differences are based on the Qur'an, the Sunnah, and the consensus of scholars, reflecting divine wisdom. In worship, men must attend Friday prayer and pray in congregation, while for women it is optional. Men give the adhan and iqama, women do not. Men's prayer dress code covers from the navel to the knees, women must cover their entire body except face and hands during prayer. In family life, the man is the guardian and provider, as Allah says in Surah An-Nisa, verse 34. Men may marry up to 4 wives with justice, while women have only one husband. A Muslim man may marry a righteous woman from the people of the book, but a Muslim woman can only marry a Muslim man. In inheritance, men often receive twice the share of women because they are financially responsible for their family's needs. In testimony, in certain financial contracts, the testimony of 2 women equals that of 1 man, while in matters related to women, a woman's testimony stands alone. Regarding dress, men cover from navel to knee, women cover everything except the face and hands before non-mahram men. Women are excused from prayer and fasting during menstruation and postnatal bleeding, making up only the missed fasts. In travel, men may travel alone, while women require a mahram for long journeys for their safety and honor. These differences are not inequality, they are divine balance. True honor comes from taqwa, as Allah says, "The most noble of you in the sight of Allah is the most righteous." Like, share, and subscribe Trusstoria channel for more authentic Islamic knowledge.